Welcome to the Times Higher Education THE Live ANZ virtual event. To see who is active during the event, click on the Who's Here icon next to the agenda icon on the top right hand of your screen. The star icon located next to the Who's Here icon is your event bag, where you can view and download the materials you have saved from the exhibition booth. Wherever you are, click Link to Lobby to return to the main menu. Visit the networking lounge to chat with other delegates, invite delegates to speak one-to-one, and take part in polls and surveys. You can send a chat request to another user by clicking on the live chat icon on their profile. Please visit us at the help desk where staff will be on hand to assist you. Or click Help and Support under Settings in the top right corner to access the user knowledge base. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great event.